Jane, and this is Just Desserts with Jane. Today we're making these cheeseburger cupcakes that will be perfect for your 4th of July cookout or any fun event this summer. So we're starting with our basic vanilla cupcakes that I just unwrapped from their liner, and we're gonna go ahead and cut these in half to make our hamburger buns. So once we have that cut in half, we're going to take a piece of chocolate cake that I just used a round cookie cutter to shape. You could use the top of a cup, you can use like a mason jar lid, anything. You could just freehand cut it just to get you this round shape. From here, you're going to press it in your hand a bit, kind of like you're forming a hamburger patty. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and put our patty on the bun. So next we're gonna start adding our toppings to our burger, and we're doing that with colored buttercreams. You can use a store-bought buttercream or you can make your own and just add little bits of food coloring to make your different toppings. So first we have a yellow orange, and that's going to be our slice of cheese. So we're gonna go ahead and pipe a square onto our burger like a slice of cheese with the little corners kind of hanging off here. So we'll just pipe our nice big square. And then we're gonna go ahead and fill that in. Next, we're going to take our red buttercream and we're gonna pipe some tomatoes, or ketchup if you don't like tomatoes. So we'll just do 2 big circles. These are gonna get covered up by the bun, but you just wanna see them around the edges so you can really see the toppings on your burger. So again, we'll just do 2 big circles, making sure that they come off the edge a little bit, so that once they're covered up, you can still see them poking through. Next, we're gonna add some pickles with our green buttercream. I really like pickles, so I'm gonna add 4 or 5 pickles on here. Next, we're going to add red onion to our burger. This one I kind of made a little purplish, so for this, we're just gonna pipe 1 big ring on here. Next, we're gonna go in and add some mayonnaise to our burger. So for this, we're just gonna do some scribblies on top of our burger. And if you wanna fill it in, you can. If you don't want quite as much buttercream, you can kind of just do the outline there. I'm gonna go ahead and fill it in a bit. And using this same color, we're going to add some sesame seeds to the top of our bun. So just take the top of your cupcake, use the same bag, and just pipe little seed shapes on there. And then our last topping is some shredded lettuce. So in here, I just have some shredded sweetened coconut. And then in this little cup, I added some green food coloring to water to thin it out a bit. If you're using a water-based food coloring, you don't have to do that. I use gel, so I just wanted to thin it out. We're gonna go ahead and add this to our shredded coconut. And then give it a good stir. And we can add this to the top of our burger. We're gonna pop on the top bun, and there you have it. We have a super loaded cheeseburger cupcake that I'm sure any of your guests will be impressed with at your 4th of July cookout, and it's just as tasty as it is beautiful.